Hey dolls, let's start our journey from Master Train Station and today we are going to Rome. We will probably arriving late na kasi almost 4 hours yung biyahe. Kaya naman we decided to bring some food and eat na lang sa train since darating kami sa Rome na very very late.
From platform 2 East. Your attention please. The platform 2 East is located beyond the...
It was a smooth ride and we arrived safely in Rome. And since first time namin together ni Hubby, we also called an Uber kasi it's late na and hindi namin alam papunta dun sa hotel. Actually, malapit lang yung hotel to be honest. Less than 10 minutes by car from the train station. But we arrived late kasi kaya mas prefer namin ni Hubby wag maglakad during the night. Anyways, this is the place we're staying for 2 nights. It's called Hotel Gambrinos. Once we're there, we checked in, gave our key, and went to the room. The receptionist is very welcoming and funny, a great way to start a Rome adventure.
Show me the room. Here is our room, room 209.
Unlocked.
Come in.
Locked.
Welcome to our humble abode. And sakto lang sa amin ni Hubby. Meron ditong coffee machine, boiler, tapos mga coffee. Ay, ito, huwag to. Yan yung cake namin kanina sa train. At may window. Ay. Ay, shala. I can show you the world shining. This is our first night here in Rome and we're just walking around. Naghahanap lang kami ng mga possible na restaurant na pwede namin kainan tomorrow evening. And ayan, ang daming restaurants dito malapit sa hotel namin. Actually, most of them are full, kaya feeling ko masarap yung food. So, and si Habi.
Hi.
Nakakaloka dito, parang autumn or spring lang yung hangin, yung lamig. Kasi kanina nung naando kami sa Venice, naka-scarf, naka-gloves, naka-heavy jacket kami ni Habi. Ngayon nagpalit ako ng jacket kasi mas mainit dito sa Rome compared dun sa northern part ng Italy which is sa Venice. Ayun. Si Habi nakalimutan niya yung coat niya na lighter and he stuck with this jacket. So it's 10:48 in the evening and dumating kami ni Habi dito ng 10 p.m. Ayun, nag-unpack lang kami, naglibot lang kanina dito sa street ng hotel, then naligo, and then, ayan, manunod lang kami ng movie, then siguro matutulog, kasi tomorrow, marami kaming gagawin. So, I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
First day here in Rome, we are going to grab some breakfast downstairs. Ham, omelette, and bread. We got some cold cuts, hot dogs, bread, and cheese.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should. Golden hour paints a dreamlike view. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away. Treading water, yeah, what's the use? I just stay playing these games. Love drifts soft in the light. Come on, leave me at the poolside.
Okay, let's try.
On my mind, we were never meant
going to Pantheon. It's 11 minutes walk from Trevi Fountain.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our itinerary for today. Ay, ang ganda naman dito. Ayan. This is our itinerary for today. Kakatapos lang namin pumunta sa Fontana di Trevi. Now we are going to Pantheon.
Questo come si chiama?
We are here in Piazza Navona. Everyone. Yeah.
Oggi ti piace per te.
Ah, sì. Coffee time.
Ma per fortuna non è come quello di Vienna.
We are heading back to our hotel and then maghahanap kami ng kakainan restaurant. So,
Lechon. Lechon belli.
ano yan?
Lechon belli.
Chombelly.
Talaga.
Okay, continue tayo sa paglalakad. We are heading back to our hotel. No, actually, magla-lunch muna pala kami dun sa restaurant malapit din dun sa hotel. And then, we are going back to the hotel para magpahinga ng slight. Then, lalabas tayo because this afternoon, we are going to the Colosseum. Saan?
Squid?
Okay, so we made it on the restaurant now. It's called Alpiave Ristorante.
Tanto per ritornare a casa.
Yes, just malapit siya sa hotel namin.
Buono.
Grazie.
Grazie. Vai, vai, grazie.
Vai. A voi, buon appetito.
I got some carbonara. Hubby got some
Cacio e pepe.
cacio e pepe.
Much?
Sì, too much.
Is it good?
Sì. Kasi c'è limone.
Lime.
Ano ba?
Ma quella spettacolo.
Ang sarap.
Bene, mi cambia il vino. Toccava per spegnere la
Grabe, ang sarap ng carbonara.
Masarap talaga.
My God. Siguro, balik kami dito tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, no? Para kumain ng carbonara. Sarap! I can see the Colosseum from here. Bobby! We're here in Aria Roma. The ambience. Ang ganda ng ambience. Hi, Bobby! The menu. Okay, I got some fish, burger with waffle.
E invece questo è il mio tartar di manzo. Mega tartar la mia. Dai, tartar burger.
È così. Servini.
Andremo al prossimo date.
Cosa?
Last bite!
Sì, era.
So, kailangan ko mag-export ng videos tonight kasi lahat ng videos na nandito ngayon sa camera is madidelete kasi nakalimutan ko yung SD card ko sa bahay and kailangan ko mag-delete ng videos para may space tayo for tomorrow. Anyways, kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel. As you can see, me and hubby are in our jammies. Manonood lang kami ng these games, right? these games. And then, matutulog na kami kasi pagod na pagod kami kakalakad today. And tomorrow, another alay lakad ulit. So, ayun lang. I'll see you guys tomorrow because we are going to Vatican City. First time namin ni Habi. So, good night everyone! Pero nakakapagod siya.